Good afternoon everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you on this special occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, we have gathered here to honor and celebrate the incredible contributions of our beloved teachers who have shaped our minds, nurtured our futures and guided us to where we are today. I am Sonia Daga and alongside me is my co-host Aryan from BBA on behalf of Mind Vendors. We are thrilled to be your hosts for today's celebrations. We extend a very warm welcome to you all on this special day that holds immense significance in our lives.
Indeed, it's a day of joy, gratitude and reflection. To begin this special event, we would like to extend a very warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Anirudh Jindal Ji, Dean Ma'am, Ms. Prachi Jindal Ji, Director Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath Ji, and all the beloved faculty members and staff. We welcome you all to today's Teachers' Day celebration. Thank you everyone for gracing this occasion with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a day of immense significance, a day where we pause to honor the incredible individuals that are you. You have dedicated your lives to shape ours. Teachers' Day is a moment to reflect on the invaluable role you all play in guiding us, not just through textbooks, but through life itself.
So let's celebrate this day with full hearts, acknowledging the profound impact you have on each one of us. To all the teachers here today, we say thank you for your wisdom, your dedication, and your unwavering belief in us. To begin with, we would now like to invite Director Sir, Professor Dr. Vikas Nath Ji to give a green welcome to Vice Chairman Sir and share a few words of wisdom and encouragement with us.
आप भी टीचर ये आप हमारी तरफ से आपको this was give and take. So from this thing from management side to all the faculty. Yes. I'm sorry. For calling me on the stage. On this special occasion, we have our Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, our Dean, Madam, all our colleagues are here, and it's a memorable event that we are spending together this time on Teachers' Day, that is 4th September. We have been doing it before also. Every year we meet and we remind ourselves that we are teachers. I hope I have not said a humorous thing. We are teachers, and we are not teachers by accident. We are teachers by our choice. One teacher, many roles. Over the past 28 years of my experience, when I decided to become a teacher, I wanted to become a teacher because I belong to the family of teachers. When I joined corporate, I thought that this is not my cup of tea. Meeting people late night, asking them to drink, they asking me to drink, I thought that that is not the way of life that I would like to lead. I want to lead a noble life, a respectable life, where even though I am paid less, but I enjoy the company of different people, where you give respect, you get respect, and you also gain knowledge with them, and together we grow as far as this profession is concerned. When I said one teacher, many roles, the very first role that we play every day is sparking the light of our students. One role that we play every day is to create a spark in the life of our students. In today's morning message also, there is a prime role of a teacher to ignite the minds of young students so that the legacy of this knowledge transfers happen from the teacher to the student, and that student may again become a teacher tomorrow and is igniting many more minds. We teachers play the role of trainers, and we are trainers of trainers. That is how teacher has been defined. And this is a very serious profession. When we say we train the young mind, it means you are molding those young minds with all caution and precaution, so that they are able to serve the nation in days to come. Over a period of time, it is not only teaching that we have done, along with teaching, it is the research which has come up, and all of us are expected to do research, which is again your contribution to the body of knowledge which we are using every day with our students. So if you are doing good research, I think somewhere you are developing yourself, and then thereby you are developing the young mind. One teacher, many roles doesn't stop here. The next role is mentoring, because you are next to the parent. And as you mentor the students, he or she looks you as a parent and feels that I am in a safe hand. One teacher, many role also mean that you are not only next to the parent, but then you also look after them throughout their career. So we are talking of career progression also. And as these students pass on from this college or from the institution where we are teaching, please don't forget them. Keep a strong bonding with the students, because they are the only asset that we have as teachers. I hope with many roles coming our way, and in days to come you will find that you are a trainer not only for your students, but you are also a trainer for the corporate. You have to do consultancy for the society. So gone are those days when you as teacher used to perform one role. There are multiple roles which we are to do as teachers, because great expectations from us as teachers. People look towards us for the inputs or for the guidance that they need. And let's not prove wrong to them. Let's prove worthy of the society to whom we are serving. That means the owner says we need to develop day and night and every day, so that you are able to ignite the new mind with new ignition of knowledge. With this, I wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day, and I believe that as a teacher you are going to play a great role in molding the young minds and this nation, because this nation needs teachers and good trainers. If we have good teachers, good trainers in this country, I think somewhere we are doing our small bit by adding a drop of knowledge to this big ocean and this big great country called India. Thank you so much.
The students have prepared a special tribute video dedicated to our wonderful faculty. Please sit back and enjoy as we take a moment to honor our teachers with this video presentation.
One, motivation or knowledge surveys.
आप असाइनमेंट की डेडलाइन से ज्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग द पॉइंट जो हर बच्चे को सही होता है इन टीचर से, जो वो अपनी हर बात शेयर कर सके उस टीचर से।
I'm sorry for the difficulties caused by my actions, and thank you for your guidance and support. Happy New
Year. मैम, मैं मोर देन अ टीचर हूं। मैं बस यही कहना चाहता हूं हमारे बच्चे
always be patient and inspiring us to achieve our dreams every day and focusing us to be better persons. Thank you, Namita ma'am and Namita ma'am. You don't only teach us but also inspire. Please be confident in आपका स्टाइल है, तो परफॉर्मेंस को बनाने का बट वाइल। डिसिप्लिन और क्रिएटिविटी का सही ब्लेंड हुआ। कभी टीचर, कभी दोस्त, हर रोल में एक्ट हुआ। अभिनय के रंग आप कितना भूले लगते हैं। हर
What a beautiful tribute that. It's time to recognize, moving on, it's time to recognize our exceptional educators with the letter of appreciation. This letter is a small token of our appreciation for the immense dedication and effort. We request Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Ma'am and Director Sir to please present the letter of appreciation for CMS and CLS for teachers who have worked towards research and publication.
Everyone, please welcome our Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Shri Anirudh Jindal ji.
हॉलीडे है, उसकी वजह से आज हम सब लोग जो है यहाँ पे इन एडवांस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सभी शिक्षकों को और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. वन और द अदर वे एवरीवन चाहे वो नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हो चाहे वो टीचर्स हो, सभी लोग जो हैं अपना योगदान दे रहे हैं. सवाल ये होता है आज कि जो योगदान हम देते हैं, चाहे वो शिक्षक हो चाहे वो एक नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हो, इज इट 100%? 100% सिर्फ जुबान से कह देने से कि हम जो है अपना 100% दे रहे हैं, वो पूरा नहीं है. 100% तब पूरा होता है जब आपका आउटपुट दैट शोकेस, और वो आउटपुट शोकेस होता है कि आपके सभी बच्चे अच्छे नंबरों से पास हो, पहला अच्छी जगह जो है बच्चा प्लेस्ड हो, या फिर कोई स्टार्टअप में जो है इन्वॉल्व हो. दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. एज अ शिक्षक और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ हमें ये सोचना है कि क्या हम एक्चुअली में ये पूर्णता रूप से अपना दायित्व निभा रहे हैं. अगर कहीं पे भी ये सोचते हुए हमें हिचक हो रही है, थोड़ी सी भी हुई, तो फिर वो जो हिचक है उसके लिए हमारे को जो है उन क्वेश्चंस का, उन 10 पॉइंटर्स का जवाब ढूंढना है. किसी के पास 10 होंगे, किसी के पास 5 होंगे, किसी के पास 1 होगा, और कोई बोलेगा कि आई एम डूइंग माय बेस्ट, आई एम द बेस्ट. तो जो स्थिति आई एम द बेस्ट वाली है वो सबसे ज्यादा खतरनाक सिचुएशन है. क्योंकि बेस्ट तो कोई है ही, नो वन इज बेस्ट. बट काफी लोग हैं जो अपना पूर्णता रूप से योगदान देते हैं, चाहे वो नोट्स बनाना हो, चाहे वो बच्चों को पढ़ाई कराना हो, चाहे वो बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना हो. Everyone cannot be same, that we know, but we can aspire to get to the best. That is what is required. आज के दौर में जो जनरेशन what right now is, they need the helping hand from teachers, from parents, from every society. The reason is very simple. They are loaded with this much of knowledge and they think we are the best. I am the best. बच्चा इस मंशा से आज जो है अपने दिमाग में निकला हुआ है कि I am the best. रीजन बड़ा सिंपल है, जो आप पढ़ा रहे हैं उसने पहले से पढ़ा हुआ है, मेरे को मैडम की क्या जरूरत है. I do not need teachers. मेरे पास गूगल है, मेरे पास यूट्यूब है, मेरे पास जो है चैट जीपीटी है। सो मैडम से ज्यादा तो मैं जानता हूँ। मैडम क्या जानती है? मैडम को तो मैं ही पढ़ा दूंगा। पढ़ा दोगे और पढ़ा देंगे। उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? हमारी नॉलेज इनसे एक कदम ऊपर होनी चाहिए। आज हमारा जो दृष्टिकोण है संकुचित है सभी टीचर्स का, बिकॉज जिस जनरेशन से हम लोग आए हैं 80s से 90s से, जिस जनरेशन से हम लोग आए हैं, वी हैव सीन दैट काइंड ऑफ अ नॉलेज बैकग्राउंड जो मेरे हिसाब से द गोल्डन एरा, इट वाज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एरा विच वी हैव कम अक्रॉस, जो हमारे ये बच्चे मिस कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूँ। मेरी बिटिया है, 14 साल की है। वो हमेशा, हम उनको स्टोरी सुनाते हैं, अपनी पुरानी स्टोरीज हमेशा हम उसके साथ शेयर करते हैं। सो शी सेज कि पापा, आई वांट टू मेक अ टाइम मशीन एंड आई वांट टू गो बैक इनटू दैट एरा। मतलब व्हाई यू लाइक दैट एरा मोस्ट? तो मुझे उसकी वो बात जो है इतनी अच्छी लगती है कि पापा, आई लाइक दैट थिंग मोर। छोटा घर, छोटी सी गाड़ी, कुल्फी वाला जो है घंटी बजाते हुए आ रहा है, एक गेम खेलते थे, डार्ट वाली गेम खेलना। तो ये सब एरा जो है वो अगर आज के बच्चों को इंस्पायर कर रहा है बहुत अच्छी बात। पर अगर वो एरा आज की डेट में बच्चों को इंस्पायर नहीं कर रहा है तो हमें उन बच्चों को उसी दृष्टिकोण से काउंसलिंग करना है। रीजन बहुत सिंपल है। आज की डेट में बच्चा जो है सोशल मीडिया से इतना घिरा हुआ है, इतना ज़्यादा घिरा हुआ है। ये जो रेस लगी हुई है लाइक्स की, व्यूज़ की, कमेंट्स की, रील बनानी है, इंस्टाग्राम पे डालना है। जैसे हमारे टाइम पे ऑर्कुट हुआ करता था, ठीक है? तो 80 और 90 के दशक के लोग ये बिल्कुल जानते होंगे कि हमारे समय पे ऑर्कुट हुआ करता था, नया नया आया था। तो हम लोग जो है बड़े क्रेजी थे कि ऑर्कुट पे जो है हमें अपने दोस्त बनाए। हमारे 10 दोस्त हैं, हमारे 20 हैं, हमारे 100 हैं, 50 दोस्त हैं, मेरे 100 दोस्त हैं। ये सब एरा, इनका भी एरा है। बट हमारे ऊपर रोक थी, हम डरते थे। कुछ भी काम करने से पहले हमें डर लगता था। हमें परिवार का डर था, हमें अपने पेरेंट्स का डर था, हमें अपने टीचर्स का डर था। और आज की डेट में वो डर नहीं है। वो डर सिर्फ इसलिए ही नहीं है क्योंकि हम अपनी जिम्मेवारियों से भाग रहे हैं। जिम्मेवारियों से इसलिए भाग रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास समय ही नहीं है। और समय क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि हम खुद ही व्यस्त हैं लाइक्स, इंस्टाग्राम, पोस्ट। तो ये हमें सोचना है कि हमें करना क्या है। कोई खराब नहीं है, कोई टीचर कोई खराब नहीं है। आप लोग आए हैं, जैसे आपके डायरेक्टर सर ने कहा, वी केम हियर बाय चॉइस। All of you came here by choice. That is the best part. You are here what you like the most. You are here what you love the most. So that is what is required. So when you are in the classroom, every student should listen. That should be the target. अगर आप क्लास में जा रहे हैं तो आपका जो स्टडी मटीरियल होना चाहिए, आपकी जो डिलीवरी होनी चाहिए क्लास में, उसका लेवल जो है वो कहीं और होना चाहिए। सिर्फ प्रेजेंटेशन को एक चैट जीपीटी से बनाना वो सॉल्व नहीं करेगा। ये तो बच्चे जो नॉर्मल चीज़ें हैं वो खुद पढ़ लेंगे, खुद पढ़ के पास हो जाएंगे। हमें बच्चों को बताना है जो बुक से बाहर की चीज़ें हैं, जो उनके पास अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकती, उसके लिए क्या करना है? रिसर्च। A faculty is equal to good researcher. And And if you are a good researcher, then trust me, no one can beat you. No one can beat your lectures. So you need to be a firm, good researcher, which is the need of the hour now. To make that a habit that at least 2 to 3 research papers जो है वो छपने ही छपने चाहिए. हालांकि अभी इस वक्त क्या हो रहा है, हमारा सभी फैकल्टीज को हमारी जो बोली हुई बात है वो भाषण लग रही है, क्योंकि सबकी नजर है उस ट्रॉफी के ऊपर. जीता कौन है वो ट्रॉफी. और आज जो है इतनी सारी ट्रॉफियां कैसे आई हुई है, ट्रॉफी तो 4 ही होनी चाहिए थी, तो आज जो है ये इतनी सारी ट्रॉफियां है क्यों. सो इसका भी अभी खुलासा होने वाला है कि ये ट्रॉफियां इस बार इतनी सारी है क्यों और क्यों नहीं होनी चाहिए. कि आप लोगों का योगदान जो है उसका मोल जो है कोई भी मतलब कोई भी नहीं चुका सकता. उसका सिंपल सा अर्थ ये है, चाहे वो डॉक्टर हो, चाहे वो इंजीनियर हो, चाहे वो प्रधानमंत्री हो, या इवन कोई गुरु की शिक्षा लेके पदवी लेके बैठा हुआ है, वो आया है टीचर के माध्यम से. तो आपका मोल, आपका ऋण इस जन्म में उतारना किसी भी बच्चे के लिए, किसी भी आदमी के लिए मुश्किल. तो मैं अभी आपसे सिर्फ यही एक आज टीचर्स डे पे गुजारिश करूंगा, और हर बार करता हूं, सिर्फ एक बच्चे की जिंदगी बदलना वो आपका टारगेट होना चाहिए. जो सबसे कमजोर बच्चा है या जो सबसे निकट बच्चा है, जिसको हम कहते हैं निकट क्यों, शरारती है, सुनता नहीं है, बदतमीजी करता है, लड़ाई झगड़ा करता है, उसको सुधारना हमारा काम है आज और पीरियड का. तो इस अवसर पे मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. I wish you all the very best in all the future days to come. May you excel to the heights what you have by which you have joined the profession and what you have always dreamt of. आज कुछ लोगों की जो उन्होंने टारगेट लिया था 2024-25 का, वो हो सकता है आज पूरा हो, कुछ लोगों का नहीं होगा. बट मैं आज आपको बस ये बताना जरूर चाहूँगा, there is a drastic improvement in the research of our faculty member. There is a drastic improvement in the working culture of Geeta Ratan. And ये सब श्रेय जो है वो आपको जाता है. हम कृप सब करते हैं, और धीरे धीरे जब वो सिस्टम इम्प्रूव होता है और हमें लगता है कि yes, because of us the things have changed, that is the best way. And don't worry, what is the situation? The situation make the people strong, and we are more strong. We will come up more stronger. You know it, what I mean.
Yes.
And I am 100% sure that if this year is not what we wanted, next year would be better than what we are here. And with your strength, with your emotions, I am 100% sure that this institution will be the most sought after institutions in whole of IP University, in whole of Delhi, and in whole of India. Thank you so much, and wish you all.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. You have always been the guiding light for us, for our institution. Moving on, it's time to recognize our exceptional educators with letter of appreciation. This letter is a small token of our appreciation for their immense dedication and effort towards research and publications. We now request Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Ma'am and Director Sir to please present letter of appreciation for Center of Management students and Center of Legal Studies.
Start the award ceremony by appreciating the faculty members who have contributed in research papers, and in some book chapters they have written some good articles, and they have attended a lot of seminars and conferences and FTDs. So this is a collective effort. For that we are now giving up this appreciation letter to all of them, and as per the policy, the awards will be transferred to your bank accounts directly. So, I need that list of research, please. Can I have it? I need that photos. Do we have that?
थोड़ा सा गैप बना के रखना टीचर्स के आने जाने के लिए बस.
So this time we have 35 faculty members. So it has doubled from the last year, which is the best thing. So let's give us all of us a big round. So we'll start with Dr. Abhijit Das sir. Can you please come up with me, sir? थोड़ा और रिसर्च करा. Prachi ma'am will help us taking all the names, so that we can fastly come up with the final.
Dr. Purvesh ma'am. Dr. Anjali.
Purvesh ma'am has earned the highest research amount, I think so.
Dr. Chetna. Dr. Deepti.
अभी आए नहीं, मैं पहुंची नहीं.
कितनी देर में आने पूछे आप?
Dr. Manisha. Dr. Manju. Dr. Neelam. Dr. Nidhi. तालियां कम क्यों हो गई? Dr. Arpita.
She's our new member.
Dr. Prerna Jain. दीप्ति बैग शिप्रा को पकड़ा के ऊपर आ जाओ.
क्या हो गया?
आयुष.
हाँ.
क्यों माइंड बंडल वाले बीच में है फोटो में उसका?
कहाँ बन
जरा सा आगे बताइए. दोनों बैलेंस लेने कंपल्सरी है.
नहीं, दोनों को थोड़ी लेने हैं.
लेने आप.
डॉक्टर सोनिया रजोरिया.
मैम सर एक मिनट.
डॉक्टर चेतन
हाँ
प्रकाश. मिस भावना. मिस गीता. मिस मोनिका.
Miss Nikita Sharma, Miss Nisha,
You are the star.
Miss Prachi Sharma,
तालियों की धूम से पता चल जाता है कौन प्राप्त होगा।
Miss Prerna Jain Sharma, Miss Ramandeep Kaur, Miss Ramleen, Miss Ruchi Malhotra, Miss Sakshi Gupta, Miss Sakshi Solanki, Miss Shipropal, Miss Utkarsha, last page.
इनको भी नहीं पता था ये। Second message. And he is such a wonderful person. सारा रिसेप्शन संभालता है। मैं to be very honest, मैं कभी नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में कि that I can have a male front desk officer, and he has proved me all wrong. And he is doing the wonderful job in the organization. I am very happy.
Who has made this list? किसने बनाया? You don't know the other words? अभी एक नाम है ये।
अच्छा अब आप ये गैस करो ये बात।
I'm sure वो सोच रहा होगा या सोच रही होगी कि मेरा नाम क्यों नहीं आया when I'm working so hard. Guess करिए।
विभास सर।
Okay, out of विभास, धर्मेंद्र and साई, विभास को कितने वोट जाते हैं? Okay, साई सर को, धर्मेंद्र को, आज वो धर्मेंद्र।
आपको ये पता नहीं है ये कितना काम करता है। ये 3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का काम जो है अभी इसमें 3 ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, टेम्पल, वंडर मॉन्टेसरी एंड दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और ये सारे भागता ही रहता है। इसकी बाइक पे अगर जो है मैं सवेरे के किलोमीटर नोट करूँ और शाम के नोट करूँ तो 250-300 किलोमीटर है। Please come.
वहाँ खाना।
Now, what you all were waiting for, the best teacher and the runner-up. So, everything has been calculated in the most transparent manner, and I think so everyone knows this thing. सभी को जो है दिखा के मार्क्स दिए गए हैं, and अगर कोई dissatisfied है इस सिस्टम से या कोई भी चीज से कोई भी dissatisfied है, they are most welcome to come and speak to us. But I'm sure that director and the HR has taken due cognizance of each and everything, whatever documents you have produced, whatever inputs you have given it to them. Everything has been taken in a very transparent manner. And I have checked it thoroughly, at least top 5 forms myself before we come to this conclusion. And I could have said very honestly that it has been done in the most professional manner, which has never been done till now. And they have done absolutely everything to make sure that things are absolutely fine. And just to reiterate that Best Teacher Award, there is a prize money. How much is the prize money? कितना है? 20,000 per department, and there is a runner-up prize money of 10,000 per department. So we are giving away 4 prizes, 4 awards today. Best Teacher Award for CMS and CLS separately, and runner-up category for the CMS and CLS. And it is very good to see that some of the faculty members have done a brilliant job. Whether it is presenting their ACR report or whether the working, they have done a wonderful job. And that shows that the level of work has gone tremendously up. And this is what is required in the organization. Then when the level of work increases, when the level of things improves, the organization automatically improves. So do not just fill this ACR form just for the sake of filling it. You need to have all the documentary evidences. It's not about that we do not trust you. It's not about that कि the documents जो हैं administration में available है हम उसको check कर रहे हैं. No, it is your ACR. It is your responsibility to showcase your ACR in the best of the possible manner. किसी और की responsibility नहीं है. और बहुत अच्छा काम किया है लोगों ने, जिस तरह से मेरे को inputs मिले हैं, जिस तरह से हमने सब कुछ देखा, and most of the faculty members have done a very, very good job. So let us start with CMS, which we started in 2004 with only 10 students, grown up in miles, and I'm 100% sure this department will do more and more effort to grow to the largest level in Gita. So let us start with the...
Can I say?
Yeah, please.
Sir has gone in for explaining everything in detail. I will express everything in just 2 lines. I started with very good, landed upon the best. So there is nothing like bad or not so good. So all of you are in the category of very good, better and the best. The only thing is, from very good you can be the best, and I hope in this year, if you are very good, you will land upon the best. Right? And we would like that each one of you should achieve this milestone of getting the Best Teacher Award, because as a faculty, that's your earning, that you get a recognition in your fraternity in front of all your colleagues who belong to the same fraternity. And that's a moment of pride. But at the same time, I must say, when I was evaluating the form, I was keeping in mind that nothing goes wrong and everything is being told to you step by step of how the calculation is being done, how I am calculating. If there is any problem with you, ask me there and then, and I am ready to give you marks. I am a teacher who believes in one thing: try to give more. The only thing is there someone who asks me for that more? If you are asking me for that more, through our evidence, I was ready to give you more and more. That's my orientation towards my students also. I ask them to get maximum out of me, and I try to create those occasions where they can get maximum out of me. But there are only few who are able to extract that maximum. Minimum I am always ready to give. Okay, so thank you very much. It was a pleasure interaction with you during the ACR. I enjoyed your ACR thoroughly.
So any guesses for the runner-up award for CMS department? If a right guess, you will get 2 PVR movie. But only one person will get. Yes. ऐसा बोल रहा है कि हमारा नाम होगा सर, हम क्या करें? Why should we guess? अच्छा, let's raise the bar to 4 movie tickets. There is a giveaway of 4 movie tickets. Administration staff, teachers तो नहीं बोलेंगे ये जो है. Administration staff बताओ भैया कौन runner up category for the CMS? चलिए हम आपकी जो है प्रॉब्लम्स दूर कर देते हैं. The score is 965 out of 1200 in a grade A, and it is being secured by Dr. Deepti Jain. इसका ध्यान रखना है जी सर. अब इसमें जो गैस करेगा 5 मूवी टिकट्स. मनीषा मैम. और कोई गैसेस? अच्छा, हाथ खड़ा करेंगे फिर बताएंगे. चलो, let me ask Aprachi.
Abhijit sir.
Abhijit sir. Deepti.
Manisha ma'am.
And what's your name? Megha.
Manisha ma'am.
Okay, 2 votes for Manisha. Anyone? Okay, Indu.
Manisha ma'am.
3. And Kalpana.
Manisha ma'am.
4. Priya.
Manisha ma'am.
5. Aditi. How can we deny? Let's have Manisha. Yes, I'm on the stage now. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. And this is and Ms. नहीं करना पड़ेगा सर. And trust me, I was having goosebumps when this prom came, and why I had goosebumps was dedicated professional. She has been with this institutions through all the thicks and thins, and I cannot forget that thing. Many things she has encountered, and abhi bhi mujhe, I'm feeling she is the lifeline of this institution. Thank you so much. And now, this will be very hard for us. Let us come to CLS and 5 again tickets. अभी जेब में थोड़ी ना है. नहीं वो तेज प्रकाश साहब की दुर्गति. 6 लोगों ने जवाब दिया था सही, तो 6 के 6 लोगों को जो है. So CLS Center for Legal Studies started in 2016. Some of very good faculty members, they have contributed a good thing, and this time we have an amazing results from amazing faculty members. So please guess the name. Who is the runner-up category for CLS? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, science sir. सोनिया कजोड़िया मैम. Okay, sir. Ranjit sir. Ramandeep ma'am. 2. Anyone? Any more guesses? Any more guesses? बताओ जल्दी बताओ. Muskan ma'am. 3. 3 names. Any more guesses? Yes. Muskan 2. हाँ. प्राची शर्मा. प्राची शर्मा. ये दोस्ती निभाई जा रही है. और कोई? रमनदीप मैम. मेघा मैम.
ये बोलिए.
So 2 वोट्स किसको गए हैं? प्राची और मुस्कान मैम. तो अभी टाई हुआ है. जल्दी बताओ इन दोनों में से कौन है? मुस्कान मैम. बट ये सब रॉन्ग है. लेट्स हैव प्राची शर्मा. And trust me, she did a good job, wonderful job. She presented her ACR very well. I have got to know that she has done a very good job. And God bless you, Prachi. You have done a wonderful job, wonderful human being, cheerful human being in Geeta Ratan. And we are very happy to have her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. So 2 tickets has been won. One by Anjali ma'am and one by Geeta. So take some now. So now CLS winner category. Any guesses? Clear है. कैसे? क्लियर कैसे ये बताओ. लीक तो हुआ ही नहीं. नाम ही नहीं है ये. रीजन दिखता है. What is the reason जो दिखता है?
She has worked a lot.
In nature.
And whatever she does is perfect.
Whatever she does is perfect. That is what we want to hear. That is what the colleagues should hear for themselves. Let's give a good round of applause to the So this comes with a huge responsibility. It's just not like that. And everybody should fight for it. That kind of a fire we should have in our institute. ये नहीं कि ये जीता है आज ये जीत नहीं है. The thing is that everybody has worked, but someone has scored a better. That's why they have got this one. And we want to see tie. तीन tie आ रहे हैं, 4 ties आ रहे हैं, and we are not able to do anything. So that is kind of a momentum we are looking forward for. And congratulations to all of you, not just one, all of you. Thank you so much for contributing. अक्षर नहीं बाकी। और ये वाला तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था। Something which really needed attention, which really was required. फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं, वो खरीदने वाले ये नहीं है। So this is something very unique. This is something for the dedication of services in our institution. So we are right now giving 2 awards for the dedication services in the institution. So one will be in the administration and one will be in the teaching fraternity. So the long service holders in the institutions will be getting this award. So I'll start with the non-teaching. So can we have Mr. Tej Prakash from the Department of Education, Certification Award from the Council. So we call it Distinguished Service Award. So and in teaching, can we have again Dr. Manisha Kaushal. मैंने आज सारी शिकायतें सुनी। It's not by my choice. It was by her dedication. That's reason. That's how it's all done, ma'am. You are surprised with me? Thank you, all of you, all the non-teaching staff members, all the teaching staff members, for contributing to the success of Gita Rathar International School. Without you, 100% we would not have achieved this one. And bhook abhi aur bhi. We need to fight. We need to fight for the best institution. And this year, let us come together and perform our best to be the best institution in whole IT university. और कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं, आप लोग सब काम कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. The problem is showcase of our institution to the outer world. That will be done this time, and the placements of the students. These 2 factors we need to work this year, and everybody should contribute in these 2 factors. That will give the visibility, that will give the momentum to the institution, and trust me, that will be the changing factor in this institution. Be it whatever, पैसा सब जगह मिलेगा आपको, यहाँ पे भी मिल सकता है, and we can be the top players in the IT university. That can happen. That is not a problem. Institutions जो आज आपको top पे आप लोग होते हैं वो top पे है. I think so. You are the top institution. Why? You are doing everything with perfection. That is what is required. Thank you so much, all of you. I will hand over the mic to Prachi if she wants to say something. Yes.
I have been holding mic for the whole time. I just want to say a very, very big thank you, especially to few people जिनसे मैं हमेशा directly contact में रहती हूँ. अपराजिता is one of them. ये भी बहुत डांट खाती है, हर हफ्ते डेडलाइन मिलती है और हर हफ्ते वो डेडलाइन एक्सटेंड हो जाती है. The IITC team, मनीषा मैम ने आई, साक्षी, ये भी बहुत डांट खाते हैं. But then they really work hard. They try to give their 100%. Then the teacher coordinators of all the clubs, they are very dear to me. So चाहे हेमा हो, प्राची हो, रमन, I can see Sakshi Solanki sitting there, Nishta. They are related to TEDx, connected to external events. So these are my areas और इन्हीं teachers के साथ मेरा almost daily, weekly interaction रहता है. I don't know much about all of you, but yes, as sir said, I can see a lot of improvement in the college when it comes to the maintaining of file, how you are conducting an event. चाहे वो 1 घंटे का chief event हो, maybe it can be an ISE event, या वो 1 हफ्ते का event हो, जैसे Justicia. And a special thank you to the NSS team. These people, they work every month. They come not only the college events, they do the university events also, they do the Government of India events also, or on top of that, there is another set of events जो इन बच्चों के personal favorites होते हैं, वो भी ये करते हैं. So a special thank you to NSS and Frames and Expression, because they are the pillars for every event. इनका role हर event में रहता है. And I'll not deny Chetna's work also. She was part of NSS last year, and I miss her. Even Vandana. So names are endless. I can go on and on. जैसे एक चेहरा देखती जाऊंगी. So the names are endless. So thank you very much for your support to the organization and an upliftment of the children. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the teachers who have received the award today. Your dedication and hard work has truly made a difference in our lives.